Ujjayi Pranayama. In Sanskrit, victorious breath. But in Akash Inti's mind, dragon's breath. It sounds like a dragon to me. What is Ujjayi Pranayama and why is it important? It's a special breath pattern useful for focusing the mind, increasing mindfulness and concentration, and building heat internally within the body, thereby lowering the stress response. I found it as a great way to get out of your head, focus on what's in front of you, and realize that you're buying into an illusion. What illusion do you choose to buy into? Become more aware of this, and do so by tapping into your Ujjayi Pranayama. Before we practice this breath, let's clear our lungs a bit. Inhale deeply in through your nose. Exhale deeply out through your mouth, expelling any stale air that you may have built up from the day. Inhale deep in through your nose. Exhale through your mouth as if fogging up a mirror or a dragon breathing fire. Should be an audible sound to this exhale. On your inhale, again, inhale deeply, audibly in through the nostrils, as if filling up your lungs with the richest oxygen possible. On your next exhale, continue with this same force in your throat with your mouth closed. Inhale deep in through your nose. Exhale out through your nose. Become more aware